Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of AUD USD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of AUD USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got two lines drawn here on the chart and there are many ups and downs. So let's do the analysis first. Let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of AUD USD first. So if you look at the chart here, then if you look at the overall trend here, then we can easily see that this market is in downtrend and there is no doubt about it. See, this market is coming down. Market is unable or was unable to cross the previous highs. Therefore, this market is in downtrend. There is no doubt about it. Okay. But if we just concentrate on this particular portion of the chart here, let me remove the drawings. Or if I just ask you to focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then do you still think that this market is a downtrend? No. This market is not in downtrend right now. Overall trend of the market may be towards the downside, but this market or this present market is not in downside. Rather, this is a sideways market. And as we all know, a market is in downtrend means number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. And if a market is in uptrend, which means that number of buyers are higher in comparison to number of sellers. Overall, the number of sellers may be high, but here in this particular portion of the market, the number of buyers and sellers are almost equal, because you can see that this line, this line or this price level 0.732, or rather I'll say that wait 0.7330. Okay, this is the support for the market, and you can see that this level is trying to provide support to the market whenever market is coming down. Try to understand the market psychology here. Overall market is in downtrend, no doubt, but right now in this particular portion of the market, buyers are present in the market and they are trying to provide support to the market whenever market is going down. And as you can see here, 0.7330 is or has established itself as a valid support for the market right now. Okay, and right now you can see that though market is standing at a support here, but market is not going down. Rather, we can see that there is some price rejection from below, which clearly signifies that buyers are there in the market, and somehow market is still respecting this line as a support. Therefore, what should be your strategy? Okay, considering the overall trend of the market, okay, as we always say, follow the trend. Following a trend means if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for shorting opportunities, and if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. But this market right now is getting support from this particular trend line. Therefore, I'll say that instead of shorting the market, you should wait for the market to bounce from here, and if a market successfully bounce from here, you should mainly go for buying opportunities here. Wait for one more candle and just see how the next candle behaves. Right now you can see that there is already some price rejection from below, which is clearly giving us the indication that buyers are there in the market. So wait for one candle and see. If you see that market is still trading comfortably above, or if you see a good green candle, then you can easily go for buy at the support, because right now this market is sideways, and in sideways market we can take position on both the side. At the resistance we can short the market, and at the support we can also go for buy, because in sideways market the area of value is at the resistance also, at the support also. So if market bounces after one candle, we can go for a buy here, and after going up from here, you can also short the market at this trend line, because this trend line has been acting as a resistance for the market for quite some time. You can see that this trend line is acting as a valid resistance for the market for quite long. Therefore, there is a good possibility that if market goes up from here, still market will be facing resistance at the trend line, and if market reverses from the trend line, you can short the market. So your first trading opportunity is buy at this support level, and if market goes up from here, short the market at this trend line. This is your second trading opportunity. On the other hand, if market crosses this support level, okay, if market crosses this support level, then do not short the market immediately. Wait for 4 to 6 hours. Wait for 4 to 6 hours and just try to observe the price, try to read the market emotion. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is still trading below this support level, then you'll get the confirmation that the support has become resistance, and then you can short the market. But yes, you'll have to wait for 4 to 6 hours because support must be converted into resistance, then only you can short the market. But right now, looking at the present chart, it looks like the market will be bouncing from the support only. So these are the trading opportunities for you in the chart of AUD USD right now. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya on Monday again. Bye bye.